Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate paste. Making delicious chocolate paste at home is surprisingly simple and requires just a few basic ingredients. First, ensure you have 100 grams of good quality unsweetened chocolate. Next, measure out 50 grams of fine powdered sugar, which will provide the perfect sweetness. You'll also need 2 tablespoons of milk or cream to achieve a smooth consistency, and a tiny pinch of salt to really bring out the chocolate's depth. Now, let's get that chocolate melted. Begin by finely chopping your 100 grams of unsweetened chocolate into small, even pieces. This helps it melt more uniformly. The best way to melt it is using a double boiler, gently heating it over simmering water. If you prefer, you can microwave it in short bursts of about 30 seconds, stirring well after each interval. The goal is a perfectly smooth, glossy, and lump-free melted chocolate base. With your chocolate melted, it's time to combine everything. Slowly, and I mean slowly, whisk in the 50 grams of powdered sugar into the warm, melted chocolate. This prevents lumps and ensures a silky texture. Next, gradually add your 2 tablespoons of milk or cream, stirring constantly until the mixture thickens into a rich paste. Don't forget that tiny pinch of salt. It truly elevates the chocolate's natural flavor. Once your chocolate paste is ready, transfer it to an airtight container. It will keep beautifully in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks, so you can enjoy it over several days. When you're ready to use it, simply let it sit at room temperature for a few minutes or warm it gently for easier spreading. This homemade chocolate paste is absolutely delightful on toast, as a filling for pastries, or even as a decadent topping for ice cream. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.